Hello, this is the SMC UF42 Ceiling Fan from the office of my house / guest bedroom. This fan too does not have a pull chain, so it is inoperable. It is inoperable. I want to fix it, but I don't know how, so yeah. This fan has reversible stencil lights to white. Just, dang it. I can't. Yeah, just plain white. That's a hard thing to do. And also, in the last video of this, I forgot to mention that these are two I switched to. This is what was up when this fan was in my room, when that fan was in here. Okay. Now, I was originally going to do two white blades, but this looks way better. Okay. This fan has more bearing noise. Okay. There's a low speed. Okay. A medium. You hear it already. This is a 90s SMC, so. Okay. And now high. Oh wow, I only feel the air under it. Ow! I'm about to freaking embrace a reverse switch. I feel like. Okay, and one more time. Okay. No. There. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video of this fan. This is what the 42-inch Armitage replaced in that room. I wish I had the CEC from my kitchen, but it sadly went to the dump, as it was just so nasty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I just realized the freaking blades are reverse pitch. That's weird. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this.